Hi, this is a video on the unboxing of a brand new Lightning to USB cable, which is obviously for the iPhone 5. So there we go, brand new in the box. Just bought from Apple, Blue Water this morning, where I queued up to get my iPhone 5, which we have here. So let's see what it's all about. So as you can see, one end is the normal standard USB and the other is the brand new Lightning to USB cable connector for the iPhone 5. As you can see, both sides are the same, so it's universal, so it can be plugged into the iPhone either way. You won't cause any damage. So just move out the screen protectors, which I haven't taken off yet. So there we go, can be plugged in that way, taken out, and plugged in the other way. So there we go. Quite cool, really.